In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Patreon. If you want Patreon to display amounts in a different currency, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can update your currency preference without any confusion. To get started, go to Patreon and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Patreon page, take a moment to let everything load fully so the menu options are easy to spot. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This is where Patreon keeps some additional navigation options that aren't always visible right away. If you don't notice it immediately, just check the lower left side of the page carefully. After opening that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage different parts of your account, including personal preferences and platform settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Account. This section contains the core account options, and that's where Patreon places the currency preference setting. If the page has several tabs or options listed, just make sure you're in the account area before moving on. Now scroll down until you find currency preference. Depending on your screen size, this may be a little farther down the page, so take your time and continue scrolling until you see it. It helps to look carefully, especially if there are multiple account settings grouped together. When you find currency preference, click on your current currency. This should open a list of available currency options. From there, simply select the currency you want to use. After choosing your preferred option, Patreon will use that selection for how supported amounts are shown in your account experience. It's a good idea to double check that the new currency is displayed correctly after you make the change, just to confirm the update went through. One quick tip: if you don't see the setting right away, try refreshing the page or checking whether you're on the correct Patreon account page. Small layout differences can happen depending on the type of account or the device you're using, but the general path stays the same. And that's all it takes to change your currency on Patreon. Go to Patreon, open the three-dot menu in the bottom left corner, choose Settings, click Account, scroll to Currency Preference, and then select the currency you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.